we have another example of an aluminum block lighter. This one has definitely been used. It's been charred by the flame here. Cleaned it up with lighter fluid, but still pretty dark. Typical in most ways to the aluminum block lighters that were prevalent in the years following World War II, the late 40s, mid-late 40s, and 50s, and that most of them aren't marked. This one is a Josephson and SHARPO lighter, Glendale, California, and this was an advertising lighter for, I'm assuming that's the Armour Meat Company. Also, pretty cool in this one, not only is it marked on the fill screw, you still have the gasket intact there, but it's got the little screw there, little screwdriver that you can use for your flint adjustment. But then that also comes out for your spare flint.